Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 32 Clark Street here in Chicopee, Massachusetts.
This stunning 3-bedroom ranch built in 2003 has it all. Let's go check it out.
Looking for turnkey move-in ready? Then this is the one, with an updated eat-in kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances and tons of amenities.
This property has an incredible master with ensuite, a super rare find in a ranch like this, air conditioning and gas heat.
Perfectly spacious living room with wood floors and more space to make your own in the basement.
Outside you'll find maintenance-free exterior, fenced-in yard, a fantastic deck, and a 2-car attached garage.
We hope you have enjoyed your personal tour of 32 Clark Street here in Chicopee, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
An updated eating. Ooh, I like that one.
Sorry, I haven't read this before. Let me go through this. On Street. Ooh, we're gonna have problems.
With ensuite. With ensuite.
Thank you.
You are watching a master at work.
She goes, "You're like a robot." Yep.